Classic Pro. There, did you see that? Counter rotation on an inner pin. I'll have to go back to the video and look at that, but I've heard that you can't feel the inner pin counter rotation on these, and it shows up on occasion. at least with this this bad boy. Ow. Alright, let's let that guy back up. Now I haven't had this apart yet, so this just showed up in the mail yesterday. Errant springs, springlings from other lock experiments gone awry. Okay, I want this guy. Gonna want a shim. Hello. Really? Why aren't you shimming? There we go. Let's not drop those pins on our way out. There we go. Okay. And I feel like we've got a torpedo pin or something hiding in here. Okay. Yep. Torpedo pins. I felt like there was some overset trap in there. Torpedo pin. Some tweezers out in a minute. Torpedo pin. That weird new pin. Oh. Look at that guy. Okay, so it's still pin and pin, but it's got some weirdness to it. I wonder what that's about. Parent control, I guess. And that, oh, I see. Okay, so I wasn't actually paying that much attention to this. I just knew I wanted one. So on the mark where they put the little star, there's a special pin, and I think it changes, but there's a center groove and two outer grooves actually. So the two outer grooves would grab onto those guys, and the center groove would grab onto this, and that, I guess, is how they still do pin and pin and do a special pin design. That is all torpedo pins. Oh, no wonder this guy was such an overset trap. Well, now I don't feel so bad about taking my sweet time with that one. And, oops, careful. I don't know if you can see that from there, but there is a spool there. And I don't know if there's any counter milling here. Will this pick fit? That pick's a little big. There we go, I know this guy fits. Nope, okay, there's nothing special about that going on. But definitely got some spool action in there. Interesting. That part I knew about. I'd heard there were spools, but I had heard you couldn't really feel them, and I wanted to know, and maybe at the end of this video I'll try to focus in on that bit at the end where I felt definite counter rotation. Here it is again, spooled inner. Okay, so spooled outer, spooled inner only. Springling. Don't lose the springling now. Oh, did I magnetize my tweezers again? You guys stop that. My little degaussing device because my tweezers keep getting magnetized. Another spooled inner, spooled outer. Got some metal dust on my watch from when I just cut this guy in half moments ago so I could do this video without having to fight gutting a euro, a two-sided euro. Oh, that guy's a little different. Well, this is interesting. So there's like a serration there or something. I don't know if I felt that. I don't think there's anything special going on inside of the here. Nope. Nothing that I can feel going on there. Here, nothing special, but pay attention. There's a little cutouts here and here and here and here, and I don't know what those guys are for. This guy, I would think they were different for where this one lives, but that's not how it goes. These are round. These are round. So I couldn't tell you what these cutouts are supposed to do. Maybe they're for a future plan. Or maybe I'm just missing something. But what we have here is, in this particular one at least, we've got 4 of these as the evil torpedo pins. Oops. Four standard inner key pins. This weird guy. It goes like this. Oh, okay, alright. So this guy has a notch. This guy definitely has a notch. And that notch corresponds with that. Okay. All right. And then what we have is 1, 2, 3 of these spools, outer spool plus inner spool, 1 standard outer plus inner spool, and 1 mysterious, basically standard outer with what might count as a serration. Here. Let's check this out. Wait. So this guy's sitting down. Yeah, that doesn't even come close to, oh, see? Look at that. It can grab. Boy, that's really grabby. This, yeah, that's just that spool there. So, all right. One final experiment. Say it's really short cut. I don't know. I don't think you can get a short enough cut for this to actually interact with the plug. That would be a super short key pin. I don't think they make them that short. I don't know. Maybe. Anyway, that's the Multi-Lock Classic Pro and its new slight weirdness. And there it is. There.